It's a bearish day on Wall Street. This is Mark in for Dez with the stock market report for 12/10/2014. Yep, definitely a bearish day on Wall Street. Let's take a look here at the numbers. Yeah, we got the S&P down 1.6%, the Dow down 1.5%, the Nasdaq down 1.7%, and the small cap Russell down 2.2%. Bloody day on Wall Street. In fact, 9 out of the 10 sectors were down more than 1%. And we have bank down 2.6%, leading the way down. That's very bearish. And look at VIX, up 24%. In the last 3 days, it is up 50% now on our VIX. It's up to 18.5. Wow. We'll take a look at the VIX here on the weekly chart in just a moment. And then we got gold and silver just kind of steady compared to the rest of the markets. And look at oil, down another 3.8%, closing below $61. Incredible. And look at the trend at 3.5. Yes, folks, the trend trade is on for you Grok grads out there. Transportation down and utilities are going up. So people are, where are they putting their money? More conservative defensive areas such as that. Well, here we are, S&P 500 daily. Kabam today. That's the biggest down day since back here in October. But let's take a look here what it means. It definitely broke the 20 moving average, which we closed above yesterday. Looked a lot more bullish yesterday, but not today. Now, if we just pull a Fibonacci retracement, 23.6 is right here at former high from over here. But more than likely, where would it pull back to? I'd say the first line of support may be here at the 50 moving average area. And the 100 moving average, they're right here at the 32.2% Fibonacci retracement. Now, this purple line down here was a 10% pullback. Now, that was 10% of the whole value. This is just a pullback from this run up here. So, yeah, that's a possible line. So, yeah, it's okay. We're going to have a little bit of a pullback here. Some people are doing some end-of-year selling of their losing positions so they can get the credit. What you think, huh? How about that? The Dow Jones Industrials, kabam, and it too is here to that 23% line right now. It could pull back here again around there. This is the 50 moving average and the 100 moving average, so that those could be significant lines of support if it pulls back to there. Again, one beautiful run up here, so hey, why should we be surprised when it pulls back just a little bit here? And we got the Nasdaq. Yesterday we had a big huge candle up, and now we have a nice candle down. It's a bit of an inside candle there, but definitely on the Russell here. Look at this. On the Russell, we had a bullish engulfing yesterday, although it was in a consolidation. Now it's an inside day there. Now, yes, we're still in this consolidated range for the small caps, even though they were down the most today. Let's take a look at that VIX. That VIX has exploded up here the last few days. If those of you might play the VIX play, which is you buy some calls when it's extremely low, you'd be making some big change here right now. Let's look at the weekly chart. Again, it's only Wednesday, and look at that. Kaboom! Kaboom! That's all I can say. And now look, going back here a year or two, take a look here. Every time it hit that 200 period moving average, pulled right back to it, snapped right back, snapped right back. It's the weekly chart. Snap. And then we had in October when that big V down, it climbed up there just for a day, but then snapped right back. Well, guess what? We're at the 200 period moving average again. So let's take a look. That may just snap back by the end of the week, or at least by the end of the year. We'll have to wait and see. Well, this is it for today. We want to just make sure that we have our stops in place if we aren't on any longs, in case we do get a bit of a turnaround. But if we don't, we need to be ready to pull that short list out and start going short here for the next couple of weeks. Most everything on my charts are bearish, except for one that I happen to be in, which is Green Mountain Coffee. It was a big up day on Green Mountain, starting to pull back up, but almost everything else down, down, down. Yep. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Hey, just remember that we always set our trades and let the market come to us. We don't chase our trades. Trade well.